Hi guys, this is Marilyn, your friendly Filipina carpentera here in America. Time check, it's 12 o'clock and 28 minutes on a Wednesday early morning. It's past midnight here in my part of the world, but I couldn't sleep yet, so what I'm gonna do is, I will entertain myself by singing, and then after that, I'm gonna study the Bible and hopefully I can go to sleep. Aling iwanan ka niya, huwag kang mag-alala, may Huwag kang mag-alala, may nagmamahal sa'yo, nandito ako. Nandito ako. Alright, that song is kind of sad. But you know what? Even if nobody loves you here on earth, there's one person who for sure loves you, and that's God. You know why? Because He created you and He saw you formed inside your mother's womb. He saw the very first time when you blinked your eyes inside your mother's womb, and He takes delight in you. So smile, even if your heart is breaking. Well, there is a greater love that somebody can offer you, and that is the love of God. Thank you for listening, and God bless. Mwah.